Hoshizaki flaker, low production. I would say so. All right, not what I expected to find. So you should have ice moving up out of that right now, and you don't. We do have a condenser fan. My coils aren't blocked. Either we got a water flow problem or we got a refrigerant problem, but either way, I would have thought we'd thrown an error at this point. Some other pretty immediate observations is look at this. That's not closed. That's supposed to be sealed, and it's not. My water reservoir is showing full. Hey, my compressor just started. It wasn't running before. Find out what's up with that. And here comes the ice. Wonder if she's low on refrigerant. It's shutting off on thermal. It didn't feel very hot. So now we got a 1 beep. Which is funny. I thought a 1 beep was a water inlet problem, but I don't have a water problem. 1 beep is a water fault for this specific unit. I just verified. So I put it in drain. We are emptying that bin. Now I want to pull this out, and I want to put it in fill. See how. Now it should first and foremost fill with water because it thinks it's empty. Let's recycle it. Power off. Power on. Okay, here's water. Kinda. This is taking way too long to fill. Way too long. So this is going to tap out on a safety. Let's change the water valve. Let's start with that. Let's get some real water moving. If I trick it and tell it it's full, now there's going to be like a 3-minute delay. The compressor's going to come on. I'm going to set this back in there, the probe. Go get the valve and the float. Alright, so I just powered it on and drained. We're going to drain that. This is a new water valve. Okay, we reused that. Now, you saw how slow it filled before. Watch when we reset it. Alright, so we're going to switch it off, switch it to ice, and then switch it back on. Missed it. It's literally splattering air. How? Alright, so sequence of operations is the water filled. Now the fan starts, the gear motor starts, and there's like a 3-minute delay before the compressor starts. These ones that have this board, there's that button right there. You can press this, and you can bypass that delay and it'll start up. I just pulled the service manual on this, and it actually says that the suction pressure should be 22, and I'm running 24, so that's right. So we don't have a refrigeration problem. My water is depleting, so this is what I want to watch. I want to watch when the water level gets low enough, and it needs to refill, what happens. Now we just got to stand here and watch. guessing one thing that may be happening is it was refilling so slow that while the evaporator's pulling water, it's pulling it quicker than it's filling it. And therefore, it throws its one beep and then goes quiet and just shuts down. We'll find out here in a minute. Okay, so the water just started. Now, if that reservoir does not fill in 90 seconds, it's going to shut down. I don't know if it'll get there. While this is pulling water, we'll watch it live. Look, there's no water. This is a brand new water valve. Stand by. Just through its error, yep. And this stuff is going to keep running, which is how I found it when I came in. It's going to run in until, now that it's stopped freezing, it stopped pulling water away, and it was able to fill. But the compressor's not going to start again until X amount of minute restart. So she's only running for so many minutes an hour now. Let's play science. Look. If I open up the valve, I get water. Okay, so it's not a water supply problem. Not a water supply problem. Hang on. Okay. Now that water supply hooks up to there. We can see right through. So there's no problem here, right? Yet we weren't getting jack for water through here. More look at that water valve. I took that water valve out of a bag with the part number on it. Seems to be a brand new valve. So now the question is, did I somehow end up with a used valve? There's the 24 volt. Nice new shiny. There's the same. I wonder if I ended up with a used valve in a bag, because here I have a new valve out of a bag. Come on. So I'm emptying the reservoir. Ready? Now look at her go. There you go. That'll do it. That was it. We're gonna watch it again and wait for this to kick up. So I took, let's see, here's the one that I took off when I got here. Here's the one that I put on, and yeah, looking at it, look. Terrible. But, I mean, we got down to it. Now we're gonna wait for this to empty, which is just gonna take a minute, and then fire back up and keep going, and then we'll know. Since I caught it before not being able to refill, if we can watch it able to, then we'll know. All right, gangbusters. Everybody loves this flaked ice. Probably pretty close. Goes. Yeah. Yep. So look at how fast it fills up. Satisfies and keeps on. Problem solved, baby.